Welcome back to another write-up video of recent DownUnderCTF. So this challenge is ogres are like onions. The description says if you see this, you have to post in memes themes the rules, and this is the command that we can use to open whatever they are trying to give us. So I need to close this, which I have already done during testing. So here I will do this. And if you don't have Docker already installed on you, which isn't by default installed on Kali Linux, you have to install it. So to install Docker, you have to do apt install docker.io. After you install this, it will take some time. Okay, again mistake. You have to add sudo. It will take some time and install it. I have already installed it. And just to be sure, I don't know what is this package docker.io is 172 MB file that contains all the application that you actually need. I don't know what Docker is, but I have installed it just in case if there are parts of Docker that is inside this package. So install that, and now do sudo, because without sudo you won't be able to execute Docker because it needs sudo privileges. Then do this and run. So it will download this image from the Docker's website and then run it on this. So I am directly running it because it is already downloaded on my system. So just copy this URL, copy address, and go to enter, and you will be there, the website they were trying to give us during Docker. So you can scroll down, you will see that there are lots of memes of Shrek and one image is broken. So there is nothing that gives us anything related to flag. You paste source. If you go down, you will see the main code of HTML. Here is a meme/flag.jpg. Let's try to open it, and you can see there is an error. If we actually remove this and see what it gives you a directory listing for memes. There is no flag.jpg file. So most probably what happened is there might have been error in code that may disable flag.jpg to open, or even shown in the list of the website. So let's close this because we don't need it. What we will do is go to our terminal and use the docker command to compress this image into a file and store it and download, and then extract it. Look for flag.jpg file inside it. Hopefully if we find it, that will give our answer. So Control C to exit this. Now we do sudo docker save command, image name, which is this, and then to ctf.zip. Now it will take some time. Okay, it's done. Now I tried to use the unzip command to unzip it, but it didn't work for somehow, because I think this is not actually a zip image. Docker can't save a file into zip image. This is some different kind of archive, probably tar or rar. But we don't need to worry about that because I am planning to not even extract any files, just open it. So using the open command, what it does, it opens the file by its default application, and when we do that, it opens the ctf.zip in an archive, because this archive application support tar, rar, zip, and lots of archive format. So these are all the different layers for the Docker container. We need to go into each layer.tar file, and look for any application. So as you can see, the size is 0 bytes, so there is nothing inside of this. Let's go to the second one, and when we go, we can see that first is 0, so we don't need to open temp, we need to use user because it is 10.9 MB, 10.9 MB. And as you can see, when I go inside, it is nothing but packages, so there is no flag.jpg inside of it. Let's try the third one, and I think this is the answer. So inside the app, as you can see, there are memes and the flag.jpg. So if you open it, you will get the flag. So you need to manually type it, DownUnderCTF curly braces, this is this, curly braces close, and if you submit it, it will accept the answer. So we have completed this challenge. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new. Like and follow us for more such content.